Welcome back. On this Wednesday morning, we've seen a few isolated rain showers out there during the overnight hours, and we have another little small batch starting to move into parts of western Houghton County. So traveling there along M28, this would be just north of Elm River Township. You'll encounter one little small batch of some steady rain showers, a little bit more moderate towards the shoreline of Lake Superior here, right just to the northwest of Elm River Township. Otherwise, a few sprinkles over in Ontonagon, and that's going to continue to pass east and continue to move through the area. We have a stalled front that's going to stay with us for today. Area of low pressure moving into Minnesota will track through Wisconsin and through the lower peninsula between today, extending into tomorrow, and that's going to keep the moisture around. It's also going to be bringing in some of those showers and some thunderstorms as well. So things become a little bit more active later on. It's also going to be accompanied with this wave of energy within the jet stream that's going to be diving in out of the north and northwest. Now, after that moves on through, we have a ridge that moves in place of it for Friday, extending into the weekend. So eventually we'll see a southwest wind flow move through, bringing in some warmer air for parts of the weekend ahead of another wave of energy that's expected to move through Sunday into early next week. Accompanying it will be some showers and some thunderstorms, so times of that as well. So the pattern is more of this active couple of days, kind of quiet, and then more active days. So that's kind of how it's going to go. Later on this afternoon, we'll start to see a few of these little pop-up showers by mid-afternoon across the west end. Coverage will increase with those thunderstorms in the west and central counties. Later on this evening, extending into the overnight hours. As we head towards tomorrow morning, we still have those scattered showers around, but throughout the morning and throughout the day, we'll start to see this clear out from west to east, and clouds will also clear out as well. So eventually, for the second half of the day, we're looking at sunshine developing as compared to a little bit wet early on in the morning. So as far as rainfall amounts, still looking like the highest rainfall amounts will be along the Wisconsin state line, where some of those slow-moving storms could be a little bit producing more in the way of moderate to heavy rain, where rainfall amounts could be around an inch to an inch and a half. Most places, though, look to be around a quarter to half of an inch of rain. No big severe weather hazards except for that heavy rain potential with those slow-moving showers and thunderstorms, because that front will likely be stalled over us for about a day or so. So that could mean that some low-lying areas could eventually have some ponding of water in those places. Temperatures today for most areas into the 70s with some low 80s along the Wisconsin state line. It still looks like the coolest conditions will be near Lake Superior, where the highs will kind of hover near the 70-degree mark this afternoon. As we head into tomorrow, a different story behind that disturbance. Some cooler air as temperatures will mainly hover towards the mid-60s for tomorrow. We're back to normal on Friday, and then we have more active conditions from Sunday